How to type degree symbol on iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any message from here. Then, tap on the message box at the bottom. Type in any word over here. Go to the keyboard and tap on the numbers key. And then, long press on the 0 key and select the degree symbol as shown. Following these steps, you can easily type degree symbol on iPhone keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.